Welcome to Max online class. Second sum, 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1. 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1. This can be written as a by first factor plus b by second factor. A by first factor plus b by second factor. A by x minus 2 plus b by x plus 1. Then mark it as number 1 equation. Then take LCM. So the LCM is x minus 2 into x plus 1. X minus 2 into x plus 1. Cross multiply. A into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1. X minus 2. A into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. Cancel. X minus 2 x plus 1. X minus 2 x plus 1 cancel. So remaining you have 3x plus 1 is equal to a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. A into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. Mark it as number 2. Now substitute x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Then you have 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to, if you substitute x is equal to minus 1 in the first term vanishes. Minus 1 plus 1, 0, 0 into a plus b. Here substitute x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3b. Then minus 3 plus 1, minus 2 is equal to minus 3b. Minus minus cancel. So b is equal to 2 by 3. B is equal to 2 by 3. Again substitute x is equal to 2. Again substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 2. So this becomes 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1 equal to a into, substitute x is equal to 2. So 2 plus 1 plus, here if you substitute x is equal to 2, this term vanishes, b term vanishes. So remaining you have 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to a into 2 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3a. So then a is equal to 7 by 3. Then substitute a is equal to 7 by 3, b is equal to 2 by 3 in equation 1. So you have 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 7 by 3 into x minus 2 plus 2 by 3 into x plus 1. The sum, x by x minus 1 whole cube. X by x minus 1 whole cube. So this can be written as a by x minus 1. A by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 1 whole cube. Here x minus 1 whole cube. X minus 1 whole cube is there. So a by x minus 1 power 1. Then b by x minus 2 whole square power 2. Then finally c by x minus 1 whole cube power 3. Then mark it as number 1 equation. Take LCM. The left hand side you keep it as it is equal to, the right hand side the LCM is x minus 1 whole cube. The highest power is the LCM. So x minus 1 whole cube. Now compare the denominators. Compare the denominators. In the denominator, compare the denominators. Here x minus 1 whole square is missing, so a into x minus 1 whole square plus, then compare, here also compare the denominator. Here x minus 1 is missing, so b into x minus 1 plus c. Compare the denominators. X minus 1 whole cube, x minus 1 whole cube is there, so c, only c. Then cancel the denominator. So remaining you have x is equal to a into x minus 1 whole square plus b into x minus 1 plus c. Then mark it as second equation. Now substitute x is equal to 1. Substitute x is equal to 1. See the factor is x minus 1. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. So substitute x is equal to 1 in the second equation. Then you have 1 is equal to, this term vanishes, 1 minus 1, 0. This is also vanishes. So remaining c is equal to 1. Again substitute x is equal to 0 in second equation. So if you substitute x equal to 0 in the second equation, you will get 0 is equal to a 0 minus 1 whole square means 1 a. Then here also you put 0, 0 minus 1 means minus 1, so minus 1 into b minus b plus c. Now substitute c is equal to 1 in this equation, so this becomes 0 is equal to a minus b plus c. So a minus b is equal to minus 1, mark it as third equation. Now equating the coefficient of x square in second equation, equating the coefficient of x square in second equation. The left hand side there is no x square term, so left hand side 0 is equal to, here these two term vanishes, here x square coefficient is a, so a is equal to 0. Now we got the a value, substitute a is equal to 0 in third equation, so this becomes 0 minus b is equal to minus 1. So minus minus cancels, so b is equal to 1. Substitute a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, c equal to 1 in the first equation. So you have x by x minus 1 whole cube is equal to 0 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube. This term vanishes, so this becomes 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube. 1 divided by, fifth sum, 1 divided by x power 4 minus 1. X power 4 means x square the whole square, x square the whole square, minus 1 can be written as 1 square. So x square the whole square minus 1 square is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So denominator we can write 1 divided by x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. Again x square minus 1 is in the form of a square minus b square, a square minus b square, so we can write a plus b into a minus b. So x square minus 1 can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 1. Then 1 divided by x power 4 minus 1 is equal to, here x square plus 1 means there are two factors are there, so you have to use two alphabets, ax, so we can write ax plus b divided by x square plus 1 plus c divided by x plus 1, next factor you have to write, plus d by the last factor x minus 1, mark it as equation 1. Then take down the LCM, the LCM is x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. Now you compare the denominators. If you compare the denominator, here x square minus 1 is missing, that is x plus 1 into x minus 1 is missing, so you have to write ax plus b into x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus, then take down the second term, again compare the denominators. If you compare the denominator, here x square plus 1 and x minus 1 is missing, so you have to write x square plus 1 into x minus 1, then plus d into, again you compare the denominator. If you compare, here x square plus 1 and x plus 1 is missing, so you have to write those two terms, d into x square plus 1 into x plus 1. Now cancel the denominator, so remaining you have 1 is equal to ax plus b into x plus 1 x minus 1 plus c into x square plus 1 x minus 1 plus d into x square plus 1 x plus 1, mark it as second equation. Now consider the factor x minus 1, x minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1, so substitute x is equal to 1 in the second equation, so you will get 1 is equal to, here the first term fully vanishes. If you substitute x is equal to 1, here means 0, so 0 into any number fully 0, so first term fully vanishes. C term, the second term is also vanishes, the remaining third term d into, substitute x is equal to 1 here, so 1 square means 1, 1 plus 1 2, so d into 2, again 2, so 2 into 2 4, 4d equal to 1, so d is equal to 1 by 4. Now substitute x is equal to minus 1, consider the next factor, x plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1, substitute x is equal to minus 1 in the second equation, so you will get 1 is equal to the first term fully vanishes if you substitute x is equal to minus 1, and also third term also vanishes. So remaining you have the second term c into 2 minus 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, so minus 4c is equal to 1, so c is equal to minus 1 by 4, c is equal to minus 4. Now equating the coefficient of x cube term, x cube term, the left hand side there is no x cube term, so you 0 is equal to here a x into x square into x cube, so coefficient of x cube is a. Here x square into x cube coefficient is c, plus similarly d, a plus c plus d is equal to 0. Then you a is equal to, you bring this c and d other side, it becomes negative, so minus c minus d. Substitute the values, c is equal to minus 1 by 4 and d is equal to 1 by 4. Then you will get a is equal to plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 1 by 4, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 0, so a is equal to 0. Now substitute x is equal to 0 in the second equation. Substitute x is equal to 0 in the second equation, so you will get 1 is equal to b. Here substitute 0, here also you have to substitute 0, so you will get minus b minus c plus d is equal to 1. Then 1 is equal to minus b, substitute c is equal to minus 1 by 4, then it becomes a positive plus 1 by 4. Here also substitute d is equal to 1 by 4, so you will get 1 is equal to minus b plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 1. Then bring this one other side, or otherwise bring this minus b other side, it becomes positive, so b is equal to, you bring this one other side, it becomes negative, so minus 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 2 by 4, 2 by 4 cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 tables, so you have 1 by 2, so minus 1 plus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2, so b is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now substitute all the values, a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1 by 2, c equal to minus 1 by 2, d equal to 1 by 4 in the first equation, so you will get 1 by x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0x minus 1 by 2 divided by x square plus 4 1 plus minus 1 by 4 divided by x plus 1 plus 1 by 4 divided by x minus 1, then 0 minus 1 by 2 means minus 1 by 2 divided by x square plus 1, minus 1 by 4 divided by x plus 1 plus 1 by 4 divided by x minus 1. So this can be written as minus 1 by 2 into x square plus 1. So minus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 plus 1 by 4 into x minus 1. Sixth sum, x minus 1 whole square divided by x cube plus 1, x cube plus x, x minus 1 whole square divided by x cube plus x is equal to, keep the numerator as it is, divided by, in the denominator x is common, so take outside, so you have x into x square plus 1, x into x square plus 1. So this can be written as a by the first factor x plus, in this second factor there are x square plus 1, there are two terms x square, so you have to use two alphabet. So for that you have to write bx plus c divided by x square plus 1, bx plus c divided by x square plus 1, mark it as number 1 equation. Then take down LCM, here the LCM is x into x square plus 1, then cross multiply a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x, cancel the denominator, so remaining you have x minus 1 whole square is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x, mark it as second equation. Now put x is equal to 0 in the second equation, put x is equal to 0 in the second equation, so you have the left hand side 1 equal to right hand side, if you substitute x equal to 0 you will get a, the second term vanishes, second term vanishes. So a equal to 1. Again you substitute x is equal to 1 in the second equation, then you will get 1 minus 1 0 is equal to 1 square means 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2a plus substitute x is equal to 1, so b plus c, you'll get b plus c into 1. So you'll this equation becomes 2a plus b plus c is equal to 0. 2a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Mark it as third equation. Then equating the coefficient of x square in the second equation. Equating the coefficient of x square in the second equation. In the left hand side you will get 1 is equal to, here the x square coefficient is a plus b. A plus b is equal to 1. Substitute a is equal to 1. So this becomes 1 is equal to 1 plus b. 1 is equal to 1 plus b means b is equal to 0. Now substitute a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 in the third equation. Substituting a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 in third equation. So third equation becomes left hand side 0 is equal to 2 plus c. 2 plus c is equal to 0. So c is equal to minus 2. Now substitute a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 2 in first equation. So the first equation becomes x minus 1 whole square divided by x cube plus 1. X is equal to 1 divided by x plus 0x minus 1 minus 2, 0x minus 2 divided by x square plus 1, which is equal to 1 divided by x. 0x minus 2 means minus 2 divided by x square plus 1. Seventh sum, x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. Since numerator and denominator are of same degree, numerator and denominator are of same degree, so let us divide the numerator by the denominator. This is a dividend divisor. Divide the first term by first term, so you'll get x square by x square 1. Multiply the whole equation by 1, then you have x square minus 5x plus 6. Change the sign, so minus, this becomes plus and this is minus, so cancel the first term. Here x plus 5x, x plus 5x 6x, 1 minus 6 minus 5, 6x minus 5. So this can be written as 1 plus 6x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. First you have to write the quotient. 1 plus and then divisor. First you have to write the quotient 1 plus then remainder divided by divisor, okay. First you have to write the quotient 1 plus then remainder divided by divisor. So x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 1 plus 6x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. Mark it as first equation. Consider 6x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. Keep the numerator as it is. Consider the denominator, factorize it. Here sum is equal to minus 6 and the product is equal to 6. So 6 can be written as minus 3 and minus 2. So if you add, you will get minus 5. If you multiply, you will get 6. So keep the numerator as it is, 6x minus 5 divided by x minus 3, x minus 2. So this can be written as a by first term x minus 3 plus b by second term x minus 2. Mark it as second equation. Then take down the LCM. Here the LCM is x minus 3, x minus 2. Cross multiply a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3. Cancel the denominator. Remaining you have 6x minus 5 is equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3. Mark it as third equation. Substitute x is equal to 2 in third equation. Substitute x is equal to 2 in third equation. Then you have 6 into 2, 12. 12 minus 5, 7 is equal to, if you substitute x is equal to 2 in the first term vanishes. 0. You will get 0. Then the second term b into 2 minus 3 minus 1, b into minus 1, so b is equal to minus 7. Then substitute x is equal to 3 in third equation, so this equation becomes 6 into 3 18, 18 minus 5 13 is equal to a into, so 3 minus 2 1, a into 1, so the second term fully vanishes, so a into 1 a, so a is equal to 13. Now substitute a is equal to 13, b is equal to minus 7 in the second equation, so the second equation becomes 6x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 13 divided by x minus 3 minus 7 divided by x minus 2. Substituting this equation in 1, so the first equation becomes x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 1 plus 13 divided by x minus 3 minus 7 divided by x minus 2. Ninth sum, x plus 12 divided by x plus 1 whole square into x minus 2. X plus 12 divided by x plus 1 whole square divided into x minus 2. So this can be written as a by the factor x minus 2 plus here x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square that is given in the question. So x plus 1 whole square can be written as b by x plus 1, b by x plus 1 plus c by x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square. This x plus 1 you have to use two alphabets, so for that b by x plus 1 plus c by x plus 1 whole square. Take LCM. Here the LCM is x minus 2 into x plus 1 whole square, x minus 2 into x plus 1 whole square. Now you compare the denominators, compare the denominator, take down the first term, then compare the denominator. Here x plus 1 whole square term is missing, x plus 1 whole square term is missing, so you have to write a into x plus 1 whole square, a into x plus 1 whole square plus b, consider the second term b by x plus 1, again compare the denominator, compare the denominator, x plus 1 and x minus 2 into x plus 1 whole square, compare the denominator. Here x minus 2 and x plus 1 is missing, so you have to write those two terms plus c. Now consider the third term, again you compare the LCM, compare the denominator. So in the denominator x plus 1 whole square is there, but x minus 2 is missing, so you have to write c into x minus 2. Now cancel the denominator, cancel the denominator, so remaining you have x plus 12 is equal to a into x plus 1 whole square plus b into x minus 1, x minus 2 into x plus 1 plus c into x minus 2. Now put x is equal to, here put x is equal to 2, you take down this factor x minus 2, so x minus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 in this equation, so this becomes 2 plus 12, 2 plus 12 is equal to, substitute x is equal to 2, so 2 plus 1 3, 3 whole square means 9, 9a, plus if you substitute x is equal to 2 here means this term fully vanishes, 2 minus 2 0, so this term fully vanishes. Here also if you substitute x is equal to 2 means c term also vanishes, 0, so remaining 2 plus 12 is equal to a into 9, 2 plus 12 means 14, 14 is equal to 9a, 14 is equal to 9a, so a is equal to 14 by 9. Now we got a value, a is equal to 14 by 9. Now we want to find the remaining alphabets b and c, so for that you have to take x plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 in this equation, so this equation becomes minus 1 plus 12 is equal to, now the first term fully vanishes, a, if you substitute x is equal to minus 1 means minus 1 plus 1 0, so a term vanishes, plus similarly if you substitute x is equal to minus 1 in the second term means b term also vanishes, So remaining you have c. C into minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1 plus 12 means 11. 11 is equal to minus 3c. So c is equal to minus 11 by 3. Now we got another alphabet value. Then put x is equal to 0 in the same equation. This equation x is equal to 0. So if you substitute x is equal to 0 means left hand side you'll get 12. 12 is equal to, if you substitute x is equal to 0 means 0 plus 1 means 1, 1 square means 1, 1 into a plus substitute x is equal to 0 means minus 2, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, so minus 2b, then minus 2c is equal to 12. Already we found the value a, and already we got the value a and c. So those two values you have to substitute in this equation. So this equation becomes 14 by 9 minus 2b minus 2 into, in the place of c substitute minus 11 by 3 is equal to 12. Then 14 by 9 minus 2b minus into minus plus 2 into 11, 22. 22 by 3 is equal to 12. Keep minus 2b in the left hand side, bring the other term in the right hand side. So you have 12 minus 14 by 9 minus 22 by 3. Then take LCM. 9 is LCM, then cross multiply. 12 into 9, 108, minus 14 minus 22 into 366, 1466. If you add, you will get 80. So 108 minus 80, 28 by 9. The left hand side minus 2b is equal to 28 by 9. So you bring minus 2 other side, so it comes under the division. So this becomes a minus 28 divided by 9 into 2. Now cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 tables, so you have minus 14 by 9. V is equal to minus 14 by 9. Now we got all the values. Substitute all the values. So the equation becomes x plus 12 divided by x plus 1 whole square into x minus 2 is equal to 14 by 9 into x minus 2 minus 14 by 9 into x plus 1 minus 11 by 3 into x plus 1 whole square. 10th sum. 6x square minus x plus 1 divided by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. 6x square minus x plus 1 divided by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Factorize the denominator. So the denominator is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Consider the first two terms. In the first two terms, x square is common, so take outside. So you have x plus 1 plus, in the last two terms, 1 is the common factor, so take outside. So you have x plus 1 into x plus 1. Now x plus 1 is common, so take outside. So this becomes x plus 1 into x square plus 1. So this expression can be written as 6x square minus x plus 1 divided by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equal to a by the first factor, x plus 1 plus x second factor is x square plus 1. Here two factors, that is understood, x square plus 1. So you have to use two alphabets in the second factor, bx plus c. Now mark it as first equation. Take LCM. The LCM is x plus 1 into x square plus 1. Cross multiply a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 1. Cancel the denominator, both sides. So you have 6x square minus x plus 1 is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 1. Mark it as second equation. Now consider this factor x plus 1. So put x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 in the second equation. So this second equation becomes 6 into 1 plus 1 is equal to a into 2 plus 0. So In the left hand side you have 8. 8 is equal to 2a. Then a is equal to 4. Now equating the coefficient of x square term. Take down the second equation, equating the coefficient of x square. In the left hand side the coefficient of x square is 6 is equal to, but in the right hand side the coefficient of x square is a plus b. A plus b is equal to 6. Already we got the value a. Substitute a is equal to 4. So you have 6 is equal to 4 plus b. So this becomes b is equal to 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 means 2. B is equal to 2. Now substitute x is equal to 0 in the same second equation. The second equation becomes 1. Here left hand side 1 is equal to, right side substitute x is equal to 0. So you have a plus this term vanishes, c remaining, a plus c is equal to 1. Substitute a is equal to 4. So 1 is equal to 4 plus c. Then c is equal to 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 means minus 3. Minus 3. Substitute a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 3 in first equation. So the first equation becomes 6x square minus x plus 1 divided by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 4 divided by x plus 1 plus 2x minus 3 divided by x square plus 1. 11th sum, 2x square plus 5x minus 11 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3. Since numerator and denominator are of same degree, so divide the numerator by the denominator. Here the numerator 2x square plus 5x minus 11 and the denominator is x square plus 2x minus 3. Divide the first term, 2x square by x square. 2x square by x square is 2. 2x square by x square is 2. Multiply the whole equation by 2. So you have 2 into x square plus 2 into 2x 4x minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Change the symbol. This becomes negative, this is also negative, this is positive. So 2x square minus 2x square cancel. 5x minus 4x x minus 11 plus 6 minus 5. Now this is quotient, remainder and the divisor. So this can be written as 2x square plus 5x minus 11 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to, first you have to write the quotient 2 plus and then remainder by divisor. First you have to write the quotient plus then you write the remainder divided by divisor, then mark it as first equation. Consider this term alone, that is x minus 5 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3. Consider x minus 5 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3. And then you keep the numerator as it is. Then you factorize the denominator. Here sum is equal to 2 and the product is minus 3. Minus 3 can be written as 3 and minus 1. So if you add you will get 2, if you multiply you will get minus 3. So this can be written as x plus 3 into x minus 1. Now you got two factors, x plus 3 into x minus 1. So this can be written as, here two factors are there, so you have to use two alphabets, that is a by the first factor x minus 1 plus b by the second factor x plus 3. Then mark it as second equation. mark it as second equation. Then find the LCM. Here the LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 3. Then cross multiply a into x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1. So cancel the denominator. Cancel the denominator. So you have x minus 5 is equal to a into x plus 3 plus b into x minus 5. Mark it as third equation. Now here the two factors are there, that is x plus 3, x minus 1. So put x plus 3 is equal to 0. Put x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3. Substitute x is equal to minus 3 in third equation. So this third equation becomes minus 3 minus 5 is equal to a into, if you substitute x is equal to minus 3 in third equation, so a term vanishes, a into 0, you will get a into 0 plus b into, substitute minus 3 here, so minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. So a into 0, 0. Minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 4b. Cancel both sides by minus sign. Then b is equal to 8 by 4. 8 by 4 means 2. b is equal to 2. Now put x is equal to 1 in the second equation. So you have 1 minus 5 is equal to a into 4 plus b into 0. Now the b term vanishes. 1 minus 5 means minus 4 is equal to 4a. So a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. Substitute a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 2 in the second equation. So the second equation becomes x minus 5 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 2 divided by x plus 3. Mark it as fourth equation. Substitute fourth equation in the first equation. So the first equation becomes 2x square plus 5x minus 11 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 2 divided by minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 2 divided by x plus 3. Then this equation, this can be written as 2 plus 2 divided by x plus 3 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. 12th sum, 7 plus x divided by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square. Here totally 3 factors are there. 1 plus x, 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square means here 2 factors. 2 factors are there. So you have to use 3 alphabets. A by the first factor 1 plus x plus b x plus c. This b x plus c divided by 1 plus x square. Bx plus c divided by 1 plus x square. Mark it as number 1. Then take LCM. LCM is 1 plus x into 1 plus x square. Cross multiply a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 plus x. Cancel the denominator. Then you have 7 plus x is equal to a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 plus x. Mark it as second equation. Now we want to find the value a, b, c. We want to find the value a, b, c. So for that you have to use the factors. 1 plus x is equal to 0. Consider 1 plus x is equal to 0. 1 plus x is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 in the second equation. So you have 7 minus 1 is equal to a into 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. If you substitute x is equal to minus 1 means minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square means plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 2a. So this term fully vanishes. So if you substitute x is equal to minus 1 here, means this becomes 0. So this term fully vanishes. So remaining 7 minus 1 is equal to a into 2. 7 minus 1 means 6. 6 is equal to 2a. So a is equal to 3. Then equating the coefficient of x square. Equating the coefficient of x square. Consider the same second equation. Equating the coefficient of x square. In the left hand side there is no coefficient of x square term. So you have to put 0. But in the right hand side the coefficient of x square is a. Coefficient of x square is a plus b. A plus b. A plus b is equal to 0. Now substitute a is equal to 3. So if you substitute a is equal to 3 means you have 3 plus b is equal to 0. Then b is equal to minus 3. Then b is equal to minus 3. Now put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 in the second equation. Put x is equal to 0 in the second equation. So you have in the left hand side 7. But in the right hand side, if you substitute x is equal to 0, the right hand side you have a plus this term vanishes. X is equal to 0 means b vanishes. So remaining c only remaining c. So a plus c is equal to 7. Substitute a is equal to 3. So this becomes 3 plus c is equal to 7. Then c is equal to 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 means 4. Now substitute a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 4 in the first equation. So the first equation becomes 7 plus x divided by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square is equal to 3 by 1 plus x plus, so in the place of b substitute minus 3x plus in the place of c substitute 4 divided by 1 plus x square. So which is equal to 3 divided by 1 plus x plus, so the numerator can be written as 4 minus 3x divided by 1 plus x square.